As xBhp, we have already done 55 countries around the world on some of the best superbikes and sometimes supercars too. But now it's time to take our homegrown world-class tourers from India all the way to Singapore and beyond to Sri Lanka for a total of 11 countries via Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand and Malaysia for a total of 15,000 kilometers. On 13th of October 2019, xBhp will be flagging off from the Throttle Shuttle Cafe in Gurgaon for the xBhp Dominar Great Asian Odyssey. The ride is powered by Castrol Power One and we will be riding on MRF tires. The riders will be protected by Rhinox gears along with Exor helmets while carrying their essential luggage with Rhinox bags and backpacks by Carbonado. These beautiful Bajaj Dominar 400 motorcycles have been lovingly prepared by Zana Motorcycles, who have done an outstanding job getting them ready for overland travel. We shall be capturing the entire ride with OnePlus devices and editing the heavy-duty stuff on the super tough ThinkPads from Lenovo. So stay tuned. What's more, there will be 11 riders that will be joining the ride. These 11 riders will be from all around India. Stay tuned to find out who they are as we complete the route one by one. But wait, not just that, there is a chance that one of you might also join us on the ride. But how? Stay tuned and keep following the journey on xBhp website and social media. This ride is dedicated to all the xBhpians and motorcyclists all over the country. Look out for the hashtag xBhp Dominar Great Asian Odyssey and follow us on xbhp.com/Dominar Great Asian Odyssey. Ride safe, ride hard, ride long.